Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem. Tonight we're going to check out Magenta, one of the complimentary restaurants here on the Norwegian gem, which means it's part of your inclusive package. No charge for drinks or meals when you eat there. It's a kind of like a fancy schmancy complimentary restaurant. There are fancier restaurants here, but you got to pay for them. They're a premium, but the Magenta is, like I said, completely complimentary and a rather nice restaurant. I think I'm going to do Italian tonight. Why don't you come along with me? Let's have some Italian food at Magenta, shall we? So I believe I'm going to have the shrimp fettuccine alfredo, which comes with a Parmesan cream sauce and mushrooms, and a nice glass of Pinot Noir, which is a light red wine. Perfect for an Italian dinner. And I know I'm playing tango music, not very Italian, but it's copyright free and the best I can do, so there's that. How romantical. It's a shame I'm by myself tonight. No bread, please, said no one ever. It's kinda late here. It's about 9:30. I had a full day on the ship. I got plans for later this evening, so they're kinda like cleaning up here, but no worries. For an appetizer, I ordered the asparagus and artichoke risotto with Parmesan cheese and basil pesto. It looks really good. Risotto is one of those Italian dishes that take a lot of time and I never make it at home, so when I'm out and I see something that looks pretty good, I'm gonna order it, and this looks and smells pretty good. Italian chefs describe properly cooked risotto as all'onda, meaning wave-like, meaning that the risotto has a creamy, almost porridge-like consistency, but individual grains are slightly firm with a discernible texture. What all that means is this looks like a simple dish, but it's really not that simple to prepare if you want to prepare it correctly. The kitchen did a great job here. This asparagus and artichoke risotto is perfect. So here's my fettuccine alfredo with grilled shrimp and wild mushrooms, and it looks and smells delicious, just like the risotto. I have to say, anywhere you go on the ship, the shrimp and seafood is like butter. Sometimes you get shrimp and it's a little tough or whatever. This shrimp actually melts in your mouth, and it's grilled, so it's to be expected that, it might be a little on the tough side or chewy, but it's not. It just melts in your mouth, and it's got that fantastic grilled flavor as well. For dessert, I'm going with the lemon creme caramel in a nice black coffee. The lemon creme caramel is basically a lemon flan, a type of egg custard. And yes, I said egg custard. Lots of confusion about my love and hate of eggs. I love things made with eggs. I just don't eat eggs like plain eggs. So lots of eggs in this custard, but I'm enjoying it. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. The Magenta dining room is on deck 6, as well as the casino. This is kind of like a short video, so I'll give you a little tour of the casino while we're at it. The casino is actually closed, obviously, as you can see here, because we're in port. Whenever a ship is in port, the casino is closed. When it's at sea, the casino is open. Lots more coming from the Norwegian gem, including more on deck 6, a casino, and a slot pull from the casino as well. Stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.